Alright, guys, this is Brossi Gaming coming at you with another episode from our new fresh start for Brossi Freight. We're finally going to buy our own truck so we can actually start making some real money. So, we're going to probably be purchasing the Hater build. It's a modded truck, and I'm going to bring you guys along for the customization of it. So, let's get into it. Alright, let's get into the cab. Cab, we're going to do nice. I want a low. Uh, there we go. Yeah, that. Okay, so we're gonna go with that cab. We're gonna keep the chat. No, we're gonna change the chassis actually. We're not gonna invest too much money in this thing right now because we are gonna buy our own trailer as well. Okay, so we're gonna keep the chassis like that. Engine, we need high horsepower. No if, and, or but about it. Go with the something decently priced, but higher horse. We're rocking right now. We've got the, oh, it's only a Packer, 380 horse. That's not enough. We need, hmm, we're gonna go with a cat. Rock the cat. 3406E, 2WS, 550 horse. Good transmission, we're gonna go 13 speed. That's perfect. Eaton Fuller. Interior. Black. Yeah, we're gonna stick with black old dash. Okay. Paint job. Or yellow. Butterscotch. There we go. Like a hot rod yellow. Just stacks. 8 inch. Holy, 12 inch. That's crazy. They're cannons. That's insane. No, we want chrome. There we go. That looks nice. Top marker lights, cabin lights. There we go. Small tanks. It's funky with those. necessary right now. Okay, get some cab lights on here. Just need reverse for right now, I think. So we'll go 3 in. Reverse long range. Reverse long range. What's this? Hood logo. Headlights. I'm gonna go with an old school look. I'm gonna go with the singles. Let's try and get a nice bumper on here. Front banner. Big chrome. Alright. Okay, I think we're gonna just keep it like that for now because we gotta really watch our money. Okay, so we're gonna go and confirm purchases on this one. Purchase. Beautiful truck, beautiful truck. Job for us, and we started out in Texas. I would like to drive that truck. Okay. Perfect, guys. We bought our first truck. That's awesome. Alright, now let's see if we can get a advance further in your career. You'll be able to purchase your own trailers. Okay. I guess we can't buy a trailer yet. Alright. Now let's go to our truck manager. Yeah, I guess we're gonna be driving it. Okay. Let's see what this puppy does. Oh, I put the wrong dash in. Yeah. That must be changed. Alright, guys. I'm gonna bring you guys back along to hopefully a shop. Let's tour over to this shop here. I'm hoping that's what that is. But I guess we're gonna find out, aren't we? Oh yeah, those reverse lights are bright. Nice headlights too. Oh, feels beautiful to have our own. that. There's a shop right here. Don't know how I missed that, but okay. Since we can't afford to buy a trailer right now, or I guess we don't have the high enough level. Let's do more things to this old girl. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay. So we're gonna go in interior for sure. There. It's gonna run us $2,000. Yes. In here. Chrome. Not sure why I picked that up. Or dash. Might be a little too much yellow. Thinking I just like the charcoal. Shifter knob. There we go. Steering wheel. We're just gonna go with the eagle. Excuse me, guys. Lower dash. Charcoal. There we go. That makes it pop nicely. Some spearmints up there. And bobblehead chihuahua. There we go. Now, DB radio. Green backlight. Not gonna be in the way. Kind of distracting. Wow, there's a ton of CB radios. I think we're just gonna take it out right now. Hanging item. boys from Canada. Um. Okay. I'm gonna stick with it with that. What happened to our bumper? Hello? Oh, I deleted it. Are you kidding me? We were inside that cab. That's what I clicked on. I actually think I like that one better anyways. Alright. There we go, guys. That'll look a little better. Alright, now let's find a job in the freight market. Dallas. Alright, guys, this is going to be kind of a short video, but I'll promise you I'll bring you on the journey. I'm just going to get set up to take off for the next load, which will be in next episode. The X-rays. Freight market. Love doing heavy hauls, so this is perfect. Alright, guys, we're going to end the video there. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow us us on the next episode. We build up our career, build up our empire and our company. So I hope everyone enjoyed, and stay tuned for more.